Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. We are going in Dollar General for the first day of their clearance, their 50% off clearance. So let's go ahead and see what they got. Okay, see this? I picked this up. That's the moisturizing face wash. 67 cents. And now the light moisturizer is 81 cents. So we won't be getting that. The Dove Amplified is $5.25. This right here. Plus with a coupon. That's a good deal if you need that. You see these guys right here? Leave-in conditioning repair. They 25% off. Look how much they are. 42%. So I'm gonna grab some of those. 42 cents. Okay, this is theirs. Blackheads Curl Repair. That 88 cents. So that's 88 cents. Let's see how much their moisturizing lotion is. Okay, moisturizing lotion 107. That's it right here, 107. So it's 50% off. This 10% off. So on top of that, so it's 60% off. All right. And you compare it to Ola. I'll grab one for my mother and sister. Okay, that is supposed to be a coupon with it. Mine didn't pop up right there. $1.62. I wanted it with the coupon to give me some overages. Don't have one though. It has one. I don't have it. I must have used it. Okay, and the big Comfort 3 razors are 95 cents. That's a good deal too. 10% off. They 95 cents today. This Tom's a man. Nope, that one $5 for the Tom's a man that was on sale is gone. Okay, this is a men's thermal top. 50% off gray dot. It was already half off that. It's 105, guys. So, what size is this? Extra large. I might go ahead and grab my husband a couple of these. Extra larges he needs. That's a medium. I knew it. That's a large. Let me get a large and an extra large. Hopefully. Let me see how much the bottom. Okay. The bottoms is 105. So I'm going to grab a couple of bottoms. 2 extra large bottoms. So we're going to grab these 2. So far in our cart, we got these 2 extra large bottoms for $1.05 a piece. We got 3 other shirts because he wears a lot of these thermals. I'm going to try this lotion and see if my mother like it. These are 42 cents and this is 45 cents. It must be 75 cents. So these are 75 cents, the taller hats. Paw Patrol, $5, so it's 75 cents. All of those. I wonder how much the gloves are today. 3. Okay, 45 cents for the gloves. So if it's $3, it's 45 cents, and those are the little kid gloves. I'm gonna grab these. Let's see. Oh, those are Mickey gloves. So they 45 cents. Okay, another 45 cents. Okay, so you got this right here. All of these thermals, hooded blankets, 15. Oof. Okay, I see some food. I see some Clover Valley Cocoa Bites. Let's see. Okay, 27 cents. I'm gonna grab those boxes of Cocoa Bites. They 27 cents. Grab a couple of boxes. So if they're $1, that product is 27 cents. If it got 10 cent wrote on them, okay? And crackers. Get saltine crackers. These are 10 cents. 27 cents also. The raisins, 27 cents. Remember those are they 27. I don't like raisins though. And my boys so far do not eat raisins. Okay, what else these? Keebler fudge, right, they got them. Dang. Yep, they got them. Okay. This is the aloe vera water, which I don't drink. They 27 cents also, guys. The Lucky Charms, these are 27 cents. The treats, king size marshmallow treats. We don't need those in our house. We got enough energy. Okay, the Teddy, what is these? Teddy Grahams. These 27 cents also. Let's see. Okay, and they not expired. Okay, so these are 27 cents. I'm gonna grab some bags of these. Probably 4. Not gonna grab them all. And here's some more Teddy Grahams honey. They $1. 27 cents also. I'm gonna grab 4 bags of those. I had to use the phone, guys, to help me. Oh wait, it's these pistachios. Oh, chips. Let me scan them. Okay, those wasn't it. Let's say Skinny Pop. Where's it at? Oh, where's the Skinny Pop? Let me look for it, guys. Oh, there's a bag. Got one, 2 bags. Okay, now, what did you guys think? I just ran on me some Overage. So, I have a coupon for this, right? This is going to give me Overage. Let me show you. Yep, Skinny Pop, 27 cents. And I have dollar coupons off. So, 75 cents Overage at this point. Let's see. Okay, so, okay, so this one you start digging, guys, to make sure you can't find some more of it. The pistachios. Let me see, because we got coupons for these also. Yes, guys, 27 cents. So I'm getting ready to grab the pistachios. Okay, and I just will take this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bags. Okay, and I gotta dig my coupons out with it if they have not expired. Okay, what's these? Clover Valley sesame sticks. Those are $1 also. 10% off. You gotta read them, guys. Okay. I don't want those sesame sticks. Clover Valley chips. Barbecue kettle. Okay, these I think. So let me check these. Yes, guys. So these are 27 cents. So it's not a coupon for them, but my kids love chips, and so do I. So I'm gonna look at those. Okay. Yes, I got all of them. Okay. Okay, this right here is the kitten food by Harton, 72 cents. And there it is. And I have some sprays that live around my house, so they'll be getting this. So I'm going to grab these bags. I'll put it at the bottom of my cart. Okay. Okay, the Chef Boyardee Chicken Alfredo is 27 cents, so I'll be grabbing those cans. Okay, let me see how much the tuna is for my mother. Tuna was $1.95, so I won't be getting that. Let me see how much the kitten caboodle treats. Okay, those are 41 cents. I don't need those. I think they need more cat food than they need caboodles. Let me see how much this pasta nori is. Jackpot, 27 cents, guys. I'm taking all of it. Okay, so far this is how I'm looking. I found some of this. I'm going to see if the coupon is still good. I think it was $2 or so. These 92 cents. I don't see this hidden value. Let me see. Because I scanned the other day, it was $1. It's 60 cents, so I'm only grab 2 boxes of that. 2 boxes, and that's because I like it. My kids don't really, like, they eat it, but not a lot, but me and my mother love it. So, hey guys, guess what? Look at that. That's why when you see stuff in weird places, scan it. More than likely, it's probably a penny, and that was a penny. See that? This is a good shopping trip for me today. Okay, the bumblebee ham salad with crackers is 36 cents. So I'm gonna grab a couple of those. Let me make sure they're not expired. Oh, those are expired. Let me put these back. They expired. Make sure you check that type of stuff. Like, I don't even buy them if they expired. 12,621. So this is tuna salad ranch. Yuck. Let me see how much it is. These are 33 cents. I'll grab a couple of them, but I don't know if they, like, I don't eat tuna. So I grabbed a couple of them. Just 4. So got 4 of those. That's that buggy so far. Okay guys, 7th generation free and clear dish detergent, 88 cents. So I'm getting ready to grab all of it. Guys, I gave my little penny item to a little girl that was on the thing. She was like, $1. Okay guys, like, yes, I'm at Dollar General because they got their clearance sale going on. I got a car full of stuff. Let me call you back when I come out of here. Girl, I barely could put it back. Okay, bye. Okay guys, $7.87. That is weighted blanket. 12-pound weighted blanket and $7. It's cheaper than Dollar Tree. 5 Below. So I am going to grab one of them. I don't need a lot of them, but I do want one. Okay. $1.49. Okay. 108. 135. Get that coupon. Grab a couple in case. Okay guys, so I am back from Dollar General clearance. You all could see this. You guys see that? Yes, that's everything I got from Dollar General. It was a food extravaganza. They had so much food. The boys already ate some of those. I'm going to give a lot of this stuff to my mother. And as you guys can see on the thumbnail, I'm missing a Tresemme. It's in the car somewhere. I know it is. That the 3s, the 5s, and the $4 coupons are working on these. Some of these was $113 and some of them was $131. I showed you on the thing. First I tried a $3 coupon. That one worked. Then I tried a $4 coupon. That one worked. Then I tried a $5 coupon and that one worked. So y'all already know I did the $5 coupons, right? Fantastic. Like, I made so many different transactions though, because I wanted to make sure that these Tresemme coupons did not beep. Okay guys, go hit this clearance up, grab all of this stuff you can. It is a great sale. It's a lot of snacks up in here, a lot of food, and it's also a lot of winter stuff. Thanks guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share this channel, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. Bye.